You were sitting on the sand by the seaside, observing the water, gentle, on a lazy day. It's pleasantly warm. And then you see that seagull gliding, slow motion, its wingspan broad and still, not flapping its wings as it uses the currents to glide gracefully up and down and circling around, making full use of its agility in the air. Watch its gracefulness, playing with the air, playing with the breeze beneath its wings, defying gravity and using the obstruction of the wind to move up and down as it chooses. You are that seagull. Your life is the breeze. You can also gracefully glide through the air of life, unflappable, graceful, with poise, being appropriate in each moment, and allowing the obstacle of the opposing wind to carry you higher, drawing from your inner resources, and then gliding down, reaching your goal in the most wonderful manner, the exhilaration of life. Enjoy it.